and welcome to Confessions of a Refashionista. I'm Refashionista Sherry, and here on my little old channel and on my site, I share how to live affordably, sustainably. Because what? Being eco-friendly shouldn't cost the earth! So if you love to upcycle and refashion and remake and just generally be an awesome eco person, then go ahead and subscribe and like and share the tutorials that you love. And you know what? Let's kind of get into the video now, because I tend to blah 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 a little bit. I'm stopping that. We're stopping that right now. Oh, but very quickly, speaking of refashioning and upcycling, I made this shirt way back in 2014, so I shall link it for you guys, how to make a personalized t-shirt yarn t-shirt. It is so super simple, but I just want to point out how awesome upcycling and refashioning is. Like, I made this in 2014. It was one of my first ever videos on my channel, and it is still going strong, still looking awesome after 7 freaking years. So again, yay upcycling, yay refashioning. Okay, you notice this box here? Do you know what this is? This is a magnificent collaboration with the one, the only, the stupendous Sunny. Now, Sunny has 2 YouTube channels and a magnificent podcast, and you absolutely need to go and subscribe and enjoy and listen and all of that stuff. I shall put all of her links down below. Her first channel is called Happily Unpopular, and I adore that name. It is my life, basically. It is just wonderful. And yeah, over there she shares her own take on the sustainable lifestyle and a plant-based diet and recipes and all of that. And I mean, our channels actually complement each other very nicely, which I guess is why we've kind of become friends over the years. After following each other for years, we finally connected, and yeah, we are very similar, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, her second channel makes my little atheist heart absolutely sing, and it is Sunny Secular. And over there, she shares secular lifestyle information, all about being an atheist, being a humanist. So if you're interested in those topics, seriously, if you want to learn more, great place to get learning about what it truly means to be, an atheist and a humanist. And her podcast, I love her podcast. Her voice is so soothing, and it's just really nice to listen to. And really, she has fantastic humor as well. So it might be a serious topic she's talking about, but she really does kind of inject it with some good humor. And her guests are wonderful too. And her podcast is Secular Minority. Again, clever name. And yeah, again, I will put all of the links down below. So please do go over and subscribe, like, all of that good stuff. But I think it is time. I'm super excited to open this box. Our collaboration, we decided to go and thrift each other some items and see if we could actually style each other. We have really opposite fashion sense, so it will be interesting to see what she sent, and I really have fingers crossed I did a good job for her, because yeah, I definitely have a more vintage feminine style than she does. She is more androgynous look, so nothing in either of our closets would have worked for each other. So it's going to be very interesting to see how we did. And yeah, we're gonna see. Am I gonna love everything, or is something gonna get refashioned in a future video? So let's get to the unboxing finally.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
So I've partially opened it, and I can already see the corner of some items here. So let's get to it. Okay. Adorbs. People still say that? I don't know. I'm old. This is quite awesome though. And again, I could totally see that, like, that's me and that's Sunny. This is super cute though. Oh, and it says confidence comes from within. Yes, indeed it does. This is perfect, actually. I think this would make one of my adorable little DIY belt bags. And if I mention tutorials in these unboxings or in any of my videos, you can always find the links to the free DIYs down below. I shall always link every tutorial that I mentioned, so you can go make these things that I'm constantly talking about. So yes, very, very cute. Thank you, Sonic. All right, next. Oh, and it smells like fresh laundry, which is always lovely. That means she washed everything, right? Okay, there's something bubble wrapped, so I'm gonna leave that for now. And let us see. Some fall. Oh, is that the back? Is this the front, the back? I'm not sure. This must be the front. Anyway, this is very, very cute. A little boho top. Now, I am curious how this is going to fit. And I'm thinking, as I'm talking, I'm going to be doing like, let's do a little try on, and I'll put the little videos here beside me once I get everything tried on. Then as I'm going along, I can, be showing you what things look like. Yeah. I mean, it's cute. I'm not sure if I'll keep it as is. We shall see. We shall see. That is in the maybe refashion pile for now. We'll see. If you have any ideas, by the way, for something you would like to see me make out of any of this stuff as I'm going through it, absolutely leave it down below, and I shall pop on my Refashionista thinking cap and see what I can do. Okay. Actually, I'm going to move this down to my little secondary table here because it's going to fall there. Now I have some more space. Floral and floaty and feminine are the words. Wow, I think this is a pretty, pretty maxi dress. Oh, it is. It is. And it is very, 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 very pretty and floaty. This Jack down there being a tippy tap again, coming in for some snuggles. Oh, this is lovely. Very lovely. Yes, I cannot wait to try that one on. Very, very good choice, Sunny. All right, and let us see. Oh, this is actually quite heavy, so don't send heavy things internationally. Actually, speaking of posts, I shall share the link below for all of my top tips for packaging and posting, because something that I discovered when I moved back from living and working abroad for over 22 years, when I moved back to North America, to Canada Post is insane. The prices are insane. So I actually did an experiment, and yeah, I shall link down below with all of the proof behind my experiment. And it is just crazy how much more expensive North America is to send things to Europe and Asia than it is to send things from Europe and Asia to North America. So yeah, I will link that down below, and that also has all of my tips for how to save money on postage and get the most kind of bang for your buck when you're shipping within your own country or internationally. Okay, so yeah, this is very heavy, but it's very, very soft. It's very, what is it? Oh, I think it's actually just fabric. I think she just sent me fabric so I can make something. Wow, I mean, it is a really nice, ooh, super stretchy jersey. And I'm pretty sure, I mean, there's enough here. I could actually, wow, I could make a maxi dress. I could make a pair of, oh wow, lounge pants. I think I may have just found my next tutorial video. Did you see my tablecloth to caftan video? And in that video, I mentioned in a future video, I shall be sharing how to make a pair of lounge pants out of a tablecloth or a bed sheet. But maybe I shall use this fancy fabric instead. What do you think? Let me know down below. And I mean, it is so soft. So this would make really, really comfy lounge pants. So yeah, let me know. What do you think? Lounge pants or a maxi dress? Lounge pants or a maxi dress? Or something else? I mean, do you have an idea? Always. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Okay. But very cool. Another good score. And ooh, we are now at the bubble wrap. And my kiddo is gonna love this. I mean, this is the giant bubble wrap. And we're actually building her a fort here in my studio. So after she pops the bubble wrap, I do think there's going to be enough here that we can use it for a window covering in her little fort that we're building out of cardboard and, you know, recycling. Oh, well. Oh, how adorable is this? With little vintage dresses on it. And it says, my favorite dresses. Okay, this is very me. And this is very cool. And I think I have my new favorite coffee cup. Oh, and there's even one inside for, you know, I have 1 cup of coffee every morning because that's all my tummy will take. And yeah, this is now going to be my daily cuppa. Well, I mean, come on. I think I scored pretty well in this swap. And of course, she is making a video with all the stuff that I sent her, and I shall link that below and in the little eye, wherever that's going to appear. And yeah, then you can go to her channel and you can tell her what you think of the stuff I sent, plus if she should upcycle or refashion any of the things that I sent to her and what she should do with those things. So like I said, let's just recap the fabric. What should I do with it? The dress, shall I keep it as a dress or shall I transform it into something else? I mean, I think this would make a really cool jumpsuit as well if I kind of added some legs here. And I think there's enough fabric, but you let me know. What do you think I should do with that? And of course the boho top, which has some pretty cool lace here on the back. And I mean, come on, that has to be a belt bag, right? It has to be. It's so adorable. And yeah, so leave your opinions down below, please. Your advice, your thoughts, your feelings, your whatever. And I know I mention my upcycled button hem bracelets in almost all of my videos, and I shared the tutorial in almost all of my videos, but that's because I love these things so much. They are such a good use of, you know, chopped hems when you are doing projects with pants or when you're just shortening your trousers, you know. Make some button bangles. They're awesome. I wear them all the time and they're just like my favorite thing. So yeah, once again, I shall link the tutorial if you've ever missed it in any of my other videos. What else do we need to say? Right. So for loads more tips, tricks, and rockin' refashionista tutorials, head on over to refashionistasherry.com. Everything is over there, and yeah, everything you need to get started living affordably, sustainably. And as I said before, please do share your favorite articles and tutorials with your online circles so we can encourage everyone to start living a more eco-friendly lifestyle. Because again, it doesn't have to cost the earth. It really doesn't. I am living proof of that. Plus, you can start at any age. You know, I didn't start sewing till I was like 38. So come on, if I can do it, anybody can do it. Plus, there's all my ebooks over there too that teach you how to do all the stuff that I have learned over the past, you know, nearly 10 years. And yeah, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. Oh yes, and go click all of Sunny's links and go show her all the love that you show me. Mwah!